Hi, this is Jerry from King Arthur's Tools. When you use your Merlin 2 as much as I do, it can sometimes collect debris in the switch housing, causing it not to turn on. This video will show you how to clean out the switch housing at home with just a few simple tools required. Thanks and enjoy the video. First, start by unplugging your Merlin from the wall outlet. Grab a small flathead screwdriver and use it to lift the switch housing out of the grinder. Sometimes you'll have to work both sides. Once the switch housing is out of the grinder, use a pick tool to remove the rocker switch out of the switch housing. You'll want to be careful when removing the rocker switch. There is a spring-loaded pin under the rocker switch. The best way to clean out debris is by using compressed air. You can also use a Q-tip to clean the connection points inside the switch housing. Once you're finished cleaning, take the rocker switch and snap it back into the switch housing. Take the switch housing and press it back into the grinder. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to visit us at katools.com.